Huge 2,400 square foot clean, neat and well-maintained home. Plenty of room throughout featuring 5 bedrooms, SEPTIC is rated for 3 bedrooms, 3 full baths, split floor plan for master privacy. A fantastic master bath with large tub and separate walk-in shower. Formal living room, DEN with cozy wood-burning fireplace. Nice bright kitchen. All kitchen appliances remain. Laundry room, dining area leading to open deck and back great for those summer barbecues. Stone fire pit. Outbuilding remains. All sitting on a good size level parcel with a creek running along back property line. Close to town but no city taxes. Walking distance to KEFAUVER Park. Less than 10-minute drive to TELLICO Lake. 25-minute drive to Cherokee National Forest, TELLICO River and CHEROHALA Skyway. 1-hour drive to Knoxville.